Hello.
Hello.
All right. Today, what are we doing today? I think today we want to. Okay. Well, let's recap what we have last time. I don't remember. Oh, we have this thing. We can now shoot, and that's it. I think that's what we
Yeah.
did yesterday. And if we dash, we lose health. Okay. Whatever that part is not part of yesterday. Okay, we good. So today, I think what we want to do is you see this thing. We see ourselves. We see the HP. Well, you know what? I think we should make the UI to actually represent SG on ourselves because having this number up here is kind of ugly. And also in the future, I want to have that UI attached to each of these enemies. So when we shoot them and they lose health instead of instant death, I hope to see they actually lose health. So making some kind of UI widget on it so we can see the HP of each of these people is actually a good move. So I think we will do just that today. Hope it is not too painful. Okay, any question?
Nope, I'm ready.
Okay, we are ready. Do we need this picture? I don't think we need this picture today. We will still do the same thing. Oh, again, this thing is always same game plan. We have this thing, we have system ability system component, and then we play around with it. That's pretty much the whole game. Let me delete this part. Why we have this stupid thing? Okay, we don't need this anymore. I will just delete it. All right. So what we are going to do is we are going to make the UI, and then we're gonna slap the UI on the player and hope it actually displays something nice. That's it. Any question before we
Nope.
start? No? We good? Okay.
Mhm.
If we are good, then I guess let's go. So I will tell you a little bit something I cheat. So well, the sheet part is not really sheet, just to save time. So I have this thing. I'll put it on the side. Pretend you did not see this. We are going to make this thing, but because of my art aesthetic sense is horrible, so I would just like I copy this from somewhere. This is just for art, have nothing to do with the UI design itself. It's just to save time, so I don't struggle into doing something stupid. Okay, but okay, spoiler. That is what it's going to look like when we are finished. So what we are going to make here, we are going to make the UI called UI underscore HP bar, and we are going to slap this HP bar on top of the character, and it's supposed to show us the HP, which is right now is say 100, right? So we hope to see this thing say 100 on top of the character when we are done with this session. Good? We good? We good?
Okay.
Okay, you follow. Okay, let's make this thing, but from scratch, not from this thing. To be fair, inside I think it's not complete. I just have the aesthetic copy because I'm bad at art. Okay, so you come here. You try to make the UI. Uh, I actually don't know where the UI is, but you know what? What I know, when you don't know anything, just create a new blueprint. Happen every time. Wait, this is from here. I think called user widget. Oh, it is here. Okay, if you wonder why I know that, if you click on this thing is not me. This thing is already the game. And then if I go to this part, right, I just go check what they use. So I didn't come up with the idea. I said, oh, they use user widget. So I would just use the same thing as whatever the project gives us. So yeah, I didn't invent anything new. I'm really good at copying stuff.
This is a user widget.
Yes, so we're gonna click here and then create the UI or user widget or whatever we have. Really not down here and supply.
It's down there for me, but I don't know
What
why
is
you
down here?
care.
I can't see it. Where is the UI
It's
section?
called user interface.
Oh wait, that is? I can't see it. Oh, it's down here. It off screen. I cannot see
Why is it like that?
because of you. You asked me to make this thing bigger. Okay, wait, wait,
I
wait.
thought I thought you reset it already.
No, I did not. If I reset it, you cannot read. That's what you tell me.
Oh,
Well, now the problem is I cannot read, not you. Oh, actually down here there is user interface. So stupid. Okay, yeah, then you click this one. It's called widget blueprint. Well, good. Finally. Well, okay, when you click, it comes to the same place anyway. Who care, you know? It comes back here. You still click the same thing, user widget. So, okay, we pick that one. Select. Name something makes sense. So in this case, I will just UI underscore HP bar or something, you know. Does that look good? I guess.
how do you know when to put what is it called? Underscore. Like sometimes you like string all them together, and then sometimes you put
Uh,
a.
Actually, I don't know because you can do this HP bar or HP underscore bar. Normally, underscore come from when you want to put space bar, but you don't put space bar. You put underscore instead of space bar. So
Mm-hmm.
in this case, you could argue this is fine or another thing is I mean I can go with this one. We don't need space bar there, you know. I don't know. I don't like it. I'll put space bar.
Okay.
Disgusting. Okay, it's HP bar. I would argue I want to do UI bar HP, not HP bar. But I don't know. Whatever is fine. Name whatever you want. I would just do that one. How about that? Okay. Let me make my UI big again, just in case you want to read. Uh, editor. Go back to 1.5, and I will suffer from that. But it is my problem, not your problem, I guess. Okay. Now we come here. This supposedly UI. It look like that, but well, it is blank right now, right? So we are going to make the UI. This is how you make the UI in general. Uh, I think, okay, I'll disclaimer here. I don't know how to make UI either, but I do know when people make UI, this is their common practice is kind of. So we'll see if that works. I know one thing. So we start with this thing, right? There is nothing here. So we are going to build something. I think everyone and their mom, when they make the UI, they always start with overlay. Don't ask me why. I don't know. All the YouTubers do the same thing. They say, hey, oh, when you make the UI, you start with overlay. I don't know why. I just copy people. I'm not a UI expert. So yeah, you drag overlay first. I don't know why. You can find out from other YouTuber. You want to go look. Uh, so this is where you start, and then the next thing that people want is show whatever the content you want. So in this case, we want UI bar. Uh, don't mind that one. That one is mine. Pretend you didn't see that. So if you want a bar, you drag the bar on here, and then if you go look here, you see you now have a bar that is a bar. To check something a
Oh.
little bit, so the way the bar works, if you look here on this side, this is how every bar in UI world, technically not only this one. When someone make a bar, they always do this percentage fill 0.3. That means fill 30% of the bar, right? If you do 0.5, it's halfway, and then if you do 1.0, then the full bar. That basically how every bar works. Like period. If you work with any UI person in the company, they will always say, okay, well, you fill the percentage of the bar, and then that is what you get. Make sense? You good? You
Mm-hmm.
good? You not good? Okay. If you are good, then okay, I will just leave it with that. But okay, you can technically you can just go with this and then just like go outside. You don't have to make it pretty, you know. Like this works. This will work. But because I saw the other thing that looked nice, so I copy that over. So now you're gonna just follow what I did because it just looked nicer. So the first thing is I will delete this thing first. We're gonna add it back later, but right now we're gonna add border. Okay, now we have the border look like that. Click on the border. Click here on the border, and then we're gonna change something on this side real quick. So it's actually gonna be this thing. Padding 3. You
Okay.
also see what it does here, and like it gives like a padding a little bit here and there. Uh, you need, I think this thing padding here is 5. Okay, this will just be your follow along because I have a nice thing. If you want to change your to look different or whatever, your choice, not my problem. You can make whatever you want. But just for me, I want to make this one just because I already know this looks nice. So this thing change tint to 0, alpha 0, brush, tint alpha 0, draw as, change to round box.
Wait, where do you see that? Oh, A
This alpha, A is alpha.
or tint? Where is
Yeah,
the
tint
tint?
of the brush. I just go from top to bottom.
Oh, the
Yeah, keep
okay.
scrolling, go down here. Yeah, brush, tint, alpha 0, draw as round box.
Okay.
Okay, come down a little bit more. Outline is 0, 0, 0. This one is 0.5 on A. Okay, you see the change here. Start to see the change. So the point of this one is we want to draw like a nice brown border thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, like you see this. You cannot see that, but then if I start to add something a little more, like oh now you start to see the border look like that. Okay, we'll keep going.
Mm,
We'll keep going. We can change the
okay.
width of this thing to 2. So now you see it have like the what I would call like the black border, and inside is like the gray. It start to look nice a little bit. Okay, we'll keep going until the end, and then we'll see what it gives us. Oh wait, that is the end of it. Okay. Hmm. Oh, I clicked on the wrong place. I go to bottom. Uh, this is 0.6. Not bad. Not like it changed much. Okay, I think that is it for the border. So next thing we're gonna drag the actual bar. So we go back to the bar, progress bar, same thing, drag it under the border, rename this thing real quick. I just
Can
rename the
you
bar.
slow down?
Yes. Yes.
I still don't have that the other black circle around the transparent one.
Oh, what a black circle. I can't see it. Wait, let me delete the bar.
That
What do you not have? This,
the the ring, the black ring.
the black ring. Okay.
Yeah, how'd you do that?
I think the black ring comes from when I change this thing to 0.6. This one.
Oh, not that one. That's the you see the gray ring, but then there's like a black one around it.
Is it 2.0? This one? That one?
Oh yeah, 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 that
Switch
one.
to
The
2.
width of the outline. Okay.
Yeah.
None of my things are max, like they're all closed. Like I have to open them, I have to expand them before I can even see anything. So it's like
Or
it's
your
slow for
window
me.
is too small or something. Oh, maybe because of this. Like, you see this one. Is it because of this?
No, I mean like when I click on an element and then like you know how there's like drop down arrows, like they're all just
Oh.
already closed. Like I have to
Oh,
expand
oh,
all.
oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to expand. Yes.
I don't know why mine is like that.
Maybe as a default it to expand. I don't know. Well, whatever. If you expand, you see the option. It's fine.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Okay, we good? We good?
Mhm.
Okay, if we are good, we search bar, and then you
Okay.
now drop progress bar in here. Make sure it is inside each other.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Once you drop the bar, you rename it to the bar. Compile save, just to make sure you don't lose your stuff.
Okay.
Okay, now check the bar. The bar do now you start to see there is a bar inside here, right?
Hmm.
Why it hide everything? That's so dumb. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so oh, you will see at the end what I'm trying to do. But okay, this is the bar, but we don't want it to look like this. We will change things a little bit. So we go to, I think it's the same. We go to, we expand. I expand on the other side, by the way. I'm cheating.
Uh,
Expand all on this one because we're gonna
oh,
change
okay.
in the size.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. We go down here. We change the tint again. Tint is 0.5. So 0.5. Oops, 0.5. That one. Draw add.
Okay.
Change that to round box. Before you change look here and then change to round box and see what I'm trying to do. Ooh, you see that? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
You start to see it look nice, right?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, we change to round box, and then the next thing we change is outline. Is it outline? Outline setting? Oh, this thing. Okay, what do we change in here? Nothing. My bad. Go
Right.
down. Go down. Fill image. Fill image. What are we
Right.
changing here? Okay, this thing you type white low. Okay, you want that one.
Right.
Okay, you
I don't
you
have it.
follow white low. You should have it.
I don't.
We have the same setup.
Image. You pressed.
I
Where did
click on
you?
here. Fill
Oh,
image.
you pressed
Fill
that.
image. This one. This one. Click on here.
Yeah, you press the drop down on the right of that square, and then you
And then
type
on
white.
here, none, none.
Yeah,
And then I
except I don't.
huh? I
I
search
don't.
and it pop up. Wait, what? You don't have this?
I don't have it.
Why?
I don't know.
Uh, huh? Where is it? I mean, I expect you should have it. Check the folder. Do you have this?
And okay,
Engine
engine.
content and somewhere in engine content. Where is it again?
Engine is under. Is engine just under that
Eh,
all folder?
yeah, it outside of everything. It's like outside of like content here, right? You have content C++ engine inside this engine somewhere.
I don't have that. I don't
You don't
have
have the
engine at
engine
all.
folder.
Mm-mm.
You don't have this.
No.
What? That doesn't make any sense. Hmm.
How do I get it?
What that? I don't know. That's a good question. Huh?
Okay.
You know what? Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT real quick. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, in UE5, why my project does not have engine folder? Okay, let's see what it says. Hmm. No, not that. Like engine folder add on. Folder add on. You can manually install plugin add on engine folder. You are good songs. Here. Huh? Hmm. I don't know. Okay. We can
Hmm.
fix that later. I don't know. Why? I don't know why you do not have this folder because I think you're supposed to have it. Did you not check some of the box say like import startup content or something at the beginning? Because that is the
The
only
beginning.
reason. I think that is the only reason I can think of to make you not have it, but I have it. because they don't do anything special either. Okay,
Yeah, I might not have checked it.
yeah, maybe you didn't check some of the boxes. Oops, unfortunate. We can add that later. Okay, but for now, let's. What are we even gonna do? I can copy this file and then just give it to you.
Okay, thanks.
Where is it? Mm-hmm. And then you can just put it anywhere else. Doesn't matter, as long as you put it somewhere, and then you
All right.
link to it. Yeah. Okay. Default default white grid underscore low. It is that one. Okay, let's see if you can even use it. I hope you can. So I'm gonna send you that file. Okay, I send you something. You can, I guess, drag and drop this thing onto your engine. I don't know, do something, put it inside your engine somewhere in the folder, and then hope you can use that.
Mm, I guess I'll create a new folder
Yeah,
called
you can make like call art asset, or I don't know, call something.
yeah,
Yeah.
something. Is it drag and drop?
Uh, I think so. I think you can drag and drop. Yeah.
Mm, it's not working. I'll
Or
just
I mean,
download it.
if you create the folder, oh no, you have to download on. I mean, drag and drop onto your engine, or drag and drop onto your folder. I don't know.
Um, okay.
You have to download first, of course.
Mm,
Do we even need that thing? I don't know. I just follow whatever I copy from. Maybe we don't even need it. I mean, after I change that, I'm gonna be honest. I see nothing change here. So maybe we don't even need it. Maybe not. I don't know.
okay, so now I have it.
Does it work? If you have it in your engine, yeah, if it show up, then you can just show it in here, or you can just now search with that thing. It
It
should show up.
works, but I don't see a difference.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see the difference either. I mean, I just follow the example. I mean, to be fair, I think if you clear it out, maybe it still works. I just play safe. Okay, anyway, if you have that already, move on. Draw as, again, go to rounded box. Ah, you see. Ah, that looks nice, right.
Hmm.
Okay. I think we see what we are cooking here. Go down a little bit. Outline setting. This one. Span. Yes. Width again at 2.0.
Wait,
Okay.
outline settings. Wait, what? Did you go back up?
No. Huh? Here. This is fill. I will if you go down here. Outline setting of the fill image. And then I only change one thing here. I
Okay,
change
the
width.
width is 2. How did you get that blue?
Oh no, that is when you blink. I just go change something. I go change the percent. We will change that later. Don't worry about the blue.
Okay,
We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Yeah. While you are distracted, I go do something because I just want to see how nice it is.
okay.
And then if we go down here, okay. So we have something called percent here. That is what I change. We can change to 0.6, 0.7, 1.0, see. Oh, that look nice, right? Look at that. Ooh, beautiful.
Mhm. So I can see it on mine.
Yeah.
Oh wait, now
So
I can see it. Okay.
yeah, we can change to whatever because it doesn't matter. We're gonna change this number. You can imagine how we use it. So when we do the HP loss, we'll just calculate percentage and then show change the number here, right? So it look like that. See that. Ooh, look at that bar. Ooh, that look beautiful. See that? That is not how
Mm.
we're gonna do it. Okay. Anyway, put in any number because it literally doesn't matter. This thing will live calculate that one. The last thing you can change is this one. If you don't want it to be blue, you can make it green. You can make it red. You can make it whatever the color you want. What color do you want? What should represent HP? Red or
I'll
green?
make my green.
Green? Okay, sure. We can go with green. Then yeah, then we make thicker green. What green? I don't know. Dark green, bright green. Too bright. I don't like it. Uh, okay, I like this one. So I will just stay with that. But you make your own color. It doesn't matter. Oh, look at that disgusting number. You, I don't like it. 0.4 because I like the good number. And you know, I suppose you. Okay, I think that is my green. 0.6. No, 0.5. Ah, I like that. Okay, I'll go with that one. 0.5. Good enough. Oh, okay, look beautiful for me. That's it. That's it. We good? We good?
Okay.
Why this thing doesn't look like my another screen? Huh? Did I do something wrong? My another one doesn't look like this. Hmm. Make me curious. What did I do wrong? Don't get me wrong. I think this one look better. So you know what? I will take this one. Something doesn't look right. Did I do something wrong? I'll be honest. Another one does not look like this. Did I forget to change something? Because I feel like I did. Heading 3.4. Content. Heading 5. Okay, that's a correct. Did I do something wrong? Gosh, yes. I'm just quick check. Okay, don't worry. You can look at your beautiful thing. Did I did something wrong? I don't know. It looked the same. Why it doesn't look the same? It looked the same, but it doesn't look the same. Huh? Did I mess something up? I don't know. I can't tell. What
Mm.
did I do wrong? You know what? Okay, I don't care. If it works, it works. I really can't tell what I do wrong. Oh, that is more. Wait. Oh, no, that is nothing. I don't understand. Whatever, it's fine. You know what? It look like this. It's fine. I'm okay with it. Let's go. So, okay, what we are going to do next is from this. I think, I think because it does not expand, that's why it throw me off. This is supposed to expand. This is not anchor, right? Oh, I think that is why. How can I anchor this? Tapping 3.0. I found it. Okay, that is one thing we forget to do.
Hmm.
Okay, it is this one. Here, this one.
Still
There.
horizontal.
And then another one is this one. Ah, now it's okay. Now it's correct. Okay, it's supposed to look like this. If you wonder what these will actually do, you see this thing. This is your actual content.
Oh, okay.
So
So it
this
just
thing,
fills up the entire
yeah,
overlay.
yeah, yeah. Basically, you say like fit the content, because like that one you stay in the corner, and then this like what
Gotcha.
you supposed to like the whole screen or the whole thing, and then it doesn't fit what happened, you know. Okay, now you can see like okay, this is kind of the look we are going for. You can tell, yeah, this is a flat, right? Like kind of like this, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, they look nice
so
and
I
round and
should make it
everything.
smaller then?
No, you don't have to do anything. This is test area. It just says that if you see my screen, I do this. You say, oh, this is a different UI size. You see that? So it just let
Mm-hmm.
you test what your UI going to look like in this resolution. How nice is it? You know.
Mm-hmm.
So this will make you like, oh, if you want to make the UI that support every screen resolution, so you have to do the anchor correctly, and sometimes, how can I anchor this that I can use imagination that this thing will like scale like this or that, you know? So they did this for you, like, hey, by the way, if you want to see this is what your UI gonna look like in 1920 by 1080, or this is your UI is gonna look like in, that scale. But yeah, this
Wait,
just mean nothing. Don't
so
worry about it.
so what does that mean? Like can you hold that again?
Oh, so if I hold it and drag, this is
Yeah,
screen resolution.
so like the 1920 by 1080, like does that just fill up, is that
The
how
whole
big our
screen.
HP bar
Yeah.
is? Like it just fills up the entire screen?
No, 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 no. This means if we display this UI in the size of 1920 by 1080, this is what this UI going to look like. This is not a good example because this UI is supposed just to be like the HP bar. This thing's supposed to make like for the UI, like for your like option screen, when it's supposed to
Oh,
expand for
okay.
the whole screen. But when you make
Mhm.
option screen, you still have to use the same user widget. So yeah, they just support you in the future. But for this one, for the UI, I would imagine we will make this UI like 100 by 300, so it's gonna look like this. That
Mm.
is what our or what this UI is supposed to look like. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, this thing right now doesn't matter to us, but it will in the future. Okay. Anyway, we are done. Woo. So we can leave. So the next thing we want to do is we want to attach this thing onto the player,
Okay.
so we can now actually see something. So if we go to the player, not here. Where is the player? Uh, okay, now I don't need this anymore. No, no more cheating. Oh, I closed the wrong one. Oh, I'm stupid. Uh,
Mm.
man. Oh, that's so dumb. Where's my stuff? Uh, this one. I need that one. Well, now I need the player. Where is the player? Twin player. If you press Control B, it jump to the folder, just in case you can't find the thing. Stop, that thing is so annoying. It hides behind another one. Twin stick character. Okay, that is what we want. Down here. Okay, we should follow. You have this thing, twin stick character.
Yes.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we're gonna add something. Make sure you click on the right place, which is the top. Click on this one. Because it click down here, when you add, it add under this thing, right? If you click here, it add under mesh. If you click here, it add under arrow. We just want to add it under everything, the root. So we
Okay.
add here. Make sure you type widget. So we want that one called widget component, I think. Okay, click on that.
So what is
Name
it?
something. I would just name UI UI widget bar. I don't know. Or widget HP bar. Eh, not important. No one care. Okay, we good. We good. We have that.
Yes.
Okay, if we have that now, we click on it. and then look on the right side. We're gonna change something. I don't know what we are going to change, but at least I have some idea. I don't know where it is though. Hmm, I'm scrolling. Okay, here, I found it. Here, called widget class right here. So you click on it, and there's a HP bar. Slap the one that we just made, which is that one. Don't worry about my sheet. Don't need it. And then change the space to screen. Change the draw size. I mean, we can leave the draw size for now. Okay, we good? Good.
Okay.
So we only change two things. We change space to screen. We change widget to that one that we just made, whatever we just made.
Hmm.
And then we press play. Hope it works. You see, that is what it look like when this thing is at 500 by 500. It looks like that on your
Uh,
character. Notice that it
uh-huh.
follow your character, right? Because we slap that widget HP bar on character. So this thing is stick to your character basically. But that is the size
Right.
you get. So that is ugly. So we don't need that. So let's make it a little bit less, like maybe y is 100 maybe, x is 300. Okay. Compile, save, check. Do you like it? Okay, a little better, but that is still a little too big, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have to, yeah, and then now is about like, oh, just play with the number until you are happy. So I'm gonna go with 250. I don't know. Let's see. I like that more. Still a little too big, maybe.
200 by 50?
Yeah, I do 250. I still don't think it's good. I will do 140 maybe. Okay, I like that. That at least look like it fit on the character, you know. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, now you see one problem. It is in the middle of the character. So we're gonna change
Right.
something. So from here, twin stick character, you click on the viewport. You will notice that when you click, oh, did you don't if you don't know how to navigate, it is the same thing. You hold right click and then you can move your mouse. WASD to move around. So either right click, move, and WASD to move another way. Well, once you try, you will know. I don't have to teach you on
Good.
that. Okay, and then on this, if you click on any component, it will tell you like what it is by the highlight. Make sense by yourself. So you click the HP bar, you notice this thing is in the middle of the body. That is why. So what we are going to do is, you see, you mouse over. Make sure you click the HP bar component.
How do
Mouse
you see
over.
your HP?
Huh?
I don't see your HP bar either.
No, I can't see it, but you can see the
Oh.
arrow. That's what I'm saying. You see this arrow, the
Oh,
little
that's
arrow
oh,
here?
that's the arrow for the
Yeah,
HP bar.
that is where it is right now.
Okay.
So I'm gonna mouse over to one of the arrow, the blue one, hold left click, and then drag it up. That is what I think. So
What'd you set it to? 100?
I did not. I just drag it up. I didn't set
Oh,
anything because I can drag
okay.
it up and press play and then see if I like it. So now see this thing go up a little bit. Still not up enough. I don't know. I like it. Do I like that? I think it can go up a little more. So let me drag up a little bit. So yeah, this is again the process of you keep dragging until you like it. I drag it up a little
Yeah.
bit more. I like that, right? Okay, I think I end with the number of 150. Is 150 somewhere? It is this one. I drag until I got 150. If you like 150, you can stay with me. If you don't like, you want it higher, you want it lower, your choice. But I'm happy with 150. Oh, I mean, this is what I saw on screen. I like it. So yeah, we got HP bar. That doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Yeah.
Well, it doesn't work yet, but at least we have something. We know it will work, hopefully. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is how can it this thing can read the number on it, right? Because now we have the thing, we know we can adjust this percentage to be whatever. It will be correct. But we don't have a way to change the number yet. So what we are going to do is we're gonna click on the graph thing, this thing. So we go back to the HP bar, go to graph, and then you see
Bar.
something look like the blueprint that we loved before. It's kind of the same idea, you have begin play, end play, and hit or whatever. Remember when we do ability, it's kind of the same thing but different. But okay, this time what we are going to do is we are going to make a new function that can set the number or set the thing, and then it should just work. So here, click on the function. You can say set
Wait.
percent,
Oh. Okay. Graph. Okay. Set percent of function. Okay.
right? Compile save. Click
Okay.
on the percent. Well, normally the thing is on the right. I don't know because it is a UI. It decided to put it on the bottom left. Not my fault, but it put here. We're looking for the same thing like last time. You remember when you make a function, what you care is you want to have the input and output, and it should work. So this one we want the input to be, what would be the input? Float. The param is percent, I guess. Value of percent. Up to how you like it. Sometimes someone put value means it's, oh, you put the value in here and it should just do its thing. If you want to be more strict, you can just name this input percent or something, your choice, whatever. I personally on this one I don't want to name it percent because the function name already says set percent. So like why you would you want to know more? Like yeah, this is gonna set percent. I say put whatever.
Oh, okay.
Uh, and I think that's it. Compile save. Oh wait, we have to change the freaking percent. My bad. So if you notice something, that is one or two things I did not mention. So if you go back to designer here, you see there is a border and stop and bar. There is
Mm-hmm.
one big difference here. On the top here, there is something called is variable. This is very
Mm-hmm.
important. I think the bar come by default that it is variable. But if you uncheck it, you don't have to, by the way. You can just look. If you uncheck it and then you go back to the graph here, you notice one thing. There is nothing here under this, under variable. It is not here. It means you cannot do anything about it. So on something that you want to change, kind of like dynamically change, you have to check this thing is variable. And then if you go to the graph, it will be here. You see that there is bar here. So now you can play with the bar. So what you're going to
Okay.
do is you're going to drag the bar here, right? Well, guess what we're going to do? Guess we want to do set percent. Which one? This one. I guess this one. I don't know. If this one doesn't work, use another one. You know. I think this one should work. If it doesn't work, come back and use another one. I would just go with this one for now. We have only two options. I will just pick one of them and go with it for now. Okay? Make sense? You still here? Good. So what this thing
Yes.
does is, if someone outside call this function set percent, put in the number, it will set the bar percent number to same thing here. Whatever you call from outside. Now you start to see where this is going,
Oh.
right? So if we come back here now from here, what we are going to do, we're gonna go to event graph. You remember where we print the number? This thing, this horrible thing that we print last time, right? So we are not going to print this on screen anymore. We're gonna print the same thing, but we will print onto the HP bar. Aha, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So to do that, you can drag the HP bar, call get widget. The first one, get user widget object.
Okay.
Okay. And then from the get user widget object, this thing, if you mouse over, it say get, it gives you user widget object. But we can't do anything about it because this thing is stupid. It doesn't know it have the function called set percent. This is a goal. We want to call set percent on it, right?
Mm.
But if you drag this thing and you say set percent, like what is set percent? I don't know. Well, of course it doesn't know because this thing when you mouse over, it say this thing is a user widget. It doesn't have specific. So you remember what we want last time? You remember cast to UIHP bar, right?
Oh, I guess I don't really understand how casting works.
Casting means it just tell you like, hey, whatever you are, trust me, you are this thing. This is the right thing.
Oh, okay.
So you force it. You basically, hey, I know you are on the last example, you are an actor, right? But
Mhm.
then I will just tell you, no, no, no. Trust me, you are character. You are not only actor. Trust me, you are character. This is like the same thing. You gaslight this thing. Like, hey, you are user widget, but hey, I'm telling you now, trust. You are UIHP bar. Trust me,
Okay.
right? So this is after you cast this thing from user widget object into user the UIHP bar. Now it will, oh, I am HP bar. I am HP bar. Trust, right? So this is what
Mm.
happened after you cast this thing, and then you drag from this thing instead. It called UIHP bar, and then you call this thing set percent. Oh, hey, magic! Guess what? Now this thing suddenly know how to set percent. Because
Right,
now,
right.
yeah, this thing now oh, I am UIHP bar. I have the function called set percent. Trust, right? Yeah, this is
Is that
basically what happened.
UI bar? Is that the object that we just created?
Hmm.
The UI HP bar? Is that the thing that we just created,
Yeah,
or is that
UIHP
a
bar.
built?
This is a class, the new blueprint. We create
Okay,
this
so every time
blueprint.
you make like a blueprint, it automatically comes with like a casting
Yes,
um function.
or a
Yeah.
new class. Because you can also do the same thing. We make a base what? Base ability system, base gameplay ability. You can also class it, right?
Oh, okay. So okay.
So like when you make a new class, you can always force cast something into it. Yeah.
Mm.
So this thing basically like, yeah, we make a new class called UIHP bar, and then like, oh, this thing, I don't know. I think you are not knowing what you are yet, but trust me, you are UIHP bar. And then if it casts and then it fails, it happens to not be that, it will just go on this one, right? It will just like trash itself out like, hey, by the way, you are wrong, so it will go on this arrow. But if it is right, it will go on this arrow.
Okay.
Make sense? Make sense? Okay, if
Yes.
that makes sense, then we are going to change the set percent here. So now we do the math. By the way, we don't need print string anymore. Let's delete this. Ooh, HP equal to add this garbage. We don't need this. Delete. This is what we
Wait.
need. Yes.
What was the other thing you deleted besides the print string?
I delete everything that connect to this old green mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we don't need it anymore. We're gonna use this one instead. So screw those things. We don't need that. So here, copy paste. I think you know where this is going. I'm gonna do health divide by max health, right? So that is percentage, and then we plug it in here.
Oh my God. Wait.
Okay, too fast, too fast. No, not
Yes.
fast. Okay, you can look at the screen.
Um,
You have to copy
divide
paste.
get float attribute. Did you make a new get float attribute from
Yeah,
ability system?
I just copy paste this one.
I'll copy this.
Yeah,
Copy.
make sure you plug everything in.
Base attribute set health. Base attribute set max health.
Yeah, one of them is health, one of them is max health, and then make sure you plug the ability system in. Come from the same one, just plug in both.
That first. Okay, the event tick is connected to task UIH.
Put everything down here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Does it make sense? It makes sense so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold up, hold up.
Pull up, pull up. Okay.
And then the return value of the division operation goes to that set percent known. Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then, like you might guess, this is what we expect, right? We expect health divided by max health, so it becomes percentage. And then because it's percentage, we plug into here. And then we cross our finger that it should freaking work. That is what we want. Does it? I don't know. Press play to find out, I guess. Oh, hey, look, 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 look. Here, it looks green. And then if I dash, oh, it loses HP. Oh, look at how
Mm,
beautiful it is.
it
Easy.
works.
It works, yeah. But does it? It works, but this sucks. I tell you right now, this thing sucks. So we're gonna make it something a little better. But okay, so far, does it make sense? Everything so far.
Hmm. I mean, yes, it makes sense, but mine doesn't work.
Wait, what? Why?
I do something different.
Okay. Should I wait? Do you need help?
How do I get help?
Hmm? What do you get
How do
help?
I like? Do I share my screen or?
Oh, I mean, you can figure out what did you do differently?
Um.
What is missing? It's okay. It's a learning
Yeah, my
experience.
problem. Okay, my problem is um I can't see my health at all. Like when I start the game,
You mean you don't see the green bar at all?
I see the bar, I just don't see the green.
You see the bar, but it's black.
Yeah, yeah. At
Uh,
first, I saw it, but then after I changed the stuff in the event graph, I don't see it anymore.
did you plug this thing, these two things, this first pin here, these two pins? Did
Plug
you
it
plug the
together?
ability system? Look like
Oh
you
no, I
did.
didn't. Yeah, how did you do? They're both connected to what? Ability system?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me try that. Oh yeah, now I see it.
Okay. I
What does
think
that
because
mean? Like, why
if
do
you
they
need to
not?
plug this thing, if you cut this thing will always give you zero because it doesn't know what to read from. The same thing here. This will
Oh,
mean zero. So yeah, you just do divide by zero or something, and then you just get like the empty bar.
hmm. Okay,
Okay, it works. It works.
cool.
Yeah. Okay. If it works, this thing sucks. The reason that it sucks is because if you want to do this thing to attach to the other actor, right? Because okay, I already mentioned to you what we want to do is we stick this thing onto right now is stick onto the player character. In the near future, we're gonna want to stick this thing onto the NPC, the enemy character. Let me search for it real quick. NPC. It is this guy. Okay, this guy. This is the enemy, right? It's called VP Twin Stick NPC. And then
Hmm.
you will have to like, oh, you have to come here, and then I have to like, oh, on each tick it have to do this. Imagine you have to make 50 more enemies. Then you're gonna have to do this every time, which is like, that kind of not cool. So there is a way to make this thing have the same result but better.
Hmm.
So what we are going to do is we improve this a little bit. What we try here is, okay, it works. Now time to make it better because this thing sucks. So
Yeah.
to make it better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna I'm gonna ignore that for now. So on here, we're not gonna use set percent here. I mean, we will, but not really. So the idea is, hey, if this UI actually know who is its owner, it should be able to read the value from there. Does that make sense? Because now this UI itself know nothing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to make it know what to read from. So what we are going to do here is we go to the variable here, add something, and we call owner actor, right? This thing actor. Click on here, compile save. I think you start to see where this is going.
Actor. Where did you get? I don't see actor.
It's down here. So user actor, and then it's down here somewhere. Object type
Object types.
actor, and you click on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then this thing will change to the type of actor, and then the
Mm-hmm.
variable name is owner actor. So the idea is, instead of doing what we just did here, we will just assign who is the owner actor of the UI, and then we come here, right? I think you start to see where it is going. So we're gonna do like get ability, this step confidence. Something like that. You see that?
Uh-huh.
See the idea? You start to see the idea, and then we're gonna do exactly this. A copy. I don't even care. Straight copy. Look at how genius it is. I just put it in here instead. Connect everything, and then I will do set the sun here. Set the sun here. Isn't that more beautiful? See that? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So now,
Hold up. I'm
you good?
slower. Hmm. Why does mine say custom event when I copy the event tick?
You did not have to copy event tick. Where are you? Are you in here? You are in
Yeah, I mean,
UI HP bar.
oh, you use the event tick
Yeah, I
from
used what they
inside.
gave us. Yeah,
Oh, okay. What is this is valid?
I
Is that
know.
new?
So I drag this thing and
Oh,
type is valid, and then pick the one with the question mark.
mhm. Yeah.
The reason I do that is it prevent crashing because when imagine because I just told you like, hey, we have to assign the owner actor, and then it will know how to grab these things, right? But the problem
Uh-huh.
is, well, if there is no owner actor and it tries to do the thing, it will confuse the game. Like, well, yeah, you give me nothing to work with, so what do you want me to do, right?
So it is not valid, then
So
what
if it's
happens?
not valid, nothing happened. You see this thing? You say if it's not valid, like, do what? Do nothing, I guess, right? It do nothing. If it's not valid, do nothing. If it is valid, then do what it's supposed to do,
Okay.
right? And this should work too, hopefully. Right now, we go back here to the character, and then instead of doing this, we will just not do this anymore. Don't delete, just cut the string. So now, like after on tick, it used to do like the cast HP bar set percentage. Now to say, okay, on tick just don't do anything anymore. Which means if we press play right now, it's gonna not update anything, right? It just have the bar and it just do nothing because we cut the line here. So it do nothing for us. But what we are going to do is we're gonna come down here. Oh crap! I have to do that again. Let me steal this part. Funny. I keep stealing this. You still do the casting. Crazy. You follow? You still follow?
Um,
I think I go a little
is
bit
that
fast.
this? Did you copy that or did you move
I
it?
copy this. I copy this.
You copied it.
Yeah. I only copy these two. The casting, the gaslight part.
Okay.
And then set owner actor. Can you see where it is going? Right. And then we want the owner of the actor to be this guy. So we do self reference, this thing, reference to self,
Mhm.
okay? And then you just plug this thing onto the owner actor. So if you go to the front, it says begin play, right? After you begin play, you set the stat, you give ability, and then you gaslight the HP bar, set the owner actor to be self. Self is this guy, which is a twin stick shooter, the twin stick character, right? So it's a, hey, I will assign myself as the owner actor. Make sense? And then you
Uh-huh.
follow the logic, huh? Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you said no. Like what?
Mhm.
Okay, so that after we assign ourselves as the actor, if you follow the logic, you come here. This UI on each tick, it will check, hey, do I have owner actor? If I have owner actor, I will do set percent based on whatever we feed it. So this should just work.
So we had to apply this to the enemies as well for it to show up on the.
Yeah, we have to do this on the enemy. So, but then we don't have to do like on the enemy. We don't have to do this. The only thing we have to do for the enemy is this part, like this part, right? Because you just have to assign the owner actor. You assign the enemy as the owner actor, and then the UI should do the rest of the job here.
Okay, so can we delete that thing on the top left in the other
Yes,
the
after we
twins?
prove that this thing actually works, yes, we can delete the thing on the top left. But
Okay.
does it work though? Let's try.
Mhm.
Hey, it works. It works. Look at that. Okay, well, if it works, then we can delete the top left. So you're right. We go back here and then delete it. Do we need anything here? We don't even need tick because you see this tick, it do nothing. So I just delete everything here. We don't need it. So boom, goodbye.
So can you add that event tick back in
Yes, we
if
can add
you?
it back in if we want it. You just have to know you have it though. I mean,
Hmm.
if you want to be safe, you can just add it back right now. Because like, I mean, you add it back, you didn't use it. It just sit here, do nothing anyway, you know. So it is fine to have it just like floating here. But if you also delete it, it is also fine. There is nothing different. I would just let it float here. What else? Yeah, see, beautiful. You like that?
Uh-huh.
Although, okay, I think that technically conclude for today. If we want to be done with it, if you want it to be extra, I want to do a base class a little bit. So I don't know. I don't know you want to do it today or not. But
Mm.
okay, well, anything. Okay, it kind of works now so far. Any question?
Yeah, quick question.
Yes.
How do I get the window to show up on this window? Like when I start the game to test it out, I want to see it on this window. I don't want to have to minimize this screen.
This.
Yeah, like yours shows up as like a small window on this Unreal
Uh,
Editor page, but mine shows up on the other one,
did
and mine
you
shows up
have this
here.
thing, new editor window? Did you
Mhm.
use it?
New editor window. Oh, okay. Cool.
Cool. Okay. Any question before we go a little more further? I mean, technically we don't have to, but I will tell you why.
Yeah, no questions.
No question. Should we continue or should we just stop for today?
I mean, I think we're good for today.
I think we are good for today. Then okay, we can stop for today. We can continue that thing next time. But
Yeah, we can do the
okay, then I
baseball.
guess that's it. We good. Cool.
That was, yeah, that was actually fun. I liked making UIs.
Oh, you will not like it when you have to make the actual UI, trust me. That thing is painful. Yeah, this one is not that bad. Oh, actually, we should do something a little extra here. Okay, okay. Before we
Hmm.
finish today, let's add something because this thing kind of annoys me. I don't like it. So you see this thing? It
Uh-huh.
show me the bar, but I don't know what is the number on it. I kind of hate it, not gonna lie.
Oh, okay.
So let's add a text real quick. What would be the option for text? I want to see the number. That's it.
Hmm.
Text box, text, audio text. I think we just want text. So let's try. I'll just drag text on here. Drag it. Or what? Widget can't have children. That's crazy. Okay. Drag on the border. Okay. Can't accept additional children. What is going on? Can I not have text? Is it that bad? I just want text. Hello. Really bothered with e-text. Can I add it on overlay? I guess. Wow, this thing just really doesn't like it. So now that is awkward.
You can put the text box. For me, the text box can go under border.
What? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, it doesn't go in though. No, it doesn't like it. I try to put it inside the border. It
No,
doesn't
text
like it.
box.
Huh? Text box?
Because you have
Oh,
text, right?
text box. Oh, it doesn't like text. It like text box. This one.
Yeah. Under, yeah.
No, it go outside anyway.
Oh,
No,
it goes
no.
outside?
Yeah, that
Okay.
doesn't matter. I guess we can just settle with text. Well, screw it. It doesn't like it. Yeah, it try. Sorry, it doesn't work. Mm, well, that kind of sucks now. I don't know. Man, I really want it to be under the text box with the border.
But can you just change the position?
Now I'm clicking something. See the cat. I mean that, and you know what? That's not bad. It is in the middle. The text is like something. Let's try put like number here. See how it look like. Okay, can we make it bigger? Now that we just play, we basically just playing with what is supposed to be like that. Change the size maybe. Ooh. Oh, wait, this thing is too big. Oh, if it is small, it will look like that. I forget. It's like a screen size. This thing is still a little too small though. I wish I know the size of this thing. Because the size we put in is like what? Do you remember what size we put in? We should make it the same. Haha. Guess why? What is the size of this thing that we put in? We put 100 by 40. So if we want it to be accurate, we should just do this 100 by 40. You look it up here, you see up here, you say the size of what it is. So we
Mm.
want 100 by 40. Let's see. 100. It is so small. But I cannot see. Is it really? Maybe it's too big. You know what? Let's just press play. I want to see what happens. Oh, it actually go outside of the box. Okay, we need it to be smaller. Change the text a little bit. Font size 14, 14 maybe. It's small enough. Again, when you test this thing, just press play and then see if it works. I think that thing is a little too small. Maybe we need a bigger HP bar, you know.
Really?
Yeah, look at how small it is. Maybe it is too small.
I mean, with
What do you think?
text it looks small, but like without the text it looks pretty good to me.
I mean, yeah, fair point. But without the text, you would not know your own number, isn't it? So I don't know. I don't know. I like the idea that I cannot see my own number, you know.
I guess.
I mean, that is subjective. You know what? I mean, maybe for the enemy, it doesn't need the text and it can be smaller. But for the player, I want it to be bigger so I can actually read. So how about that? So I was, you know what? I do this for the player, and then for the enemy, I would just hide the number, you know, or make a new one called UIHP by enemy, and then that one will just not have the number.
Hmm.
Does that make sense, right? I
Yeah.
mean, technically we can do the same one. I will show you how, right? But okay. So now okay, I will go back to the player. I want this thing to be a little bit bigger because I really can't read. So let's do 150, and then the 40 may change that to 60. Is that better? 60 is fat. I really don't like how fat it is. So let's not do 60. Let's go back to 50. 50, 150. No, I think that's good for me. I like that. Maybe I will make the number a little bit, a little more. 16. Oh, 16.
Okay.
Okay, I like this. I'll take this one. Okay. And then now, guess what we are going to do? We're going to change the number to match that. So we're gonna change. Oops. Never mind. We cannot change it because it is not here. You remember what I told you? What we need to do? We come back here. Rename the text to be bar text. How about that? Right. And then make sure you check the box is variable. Aha. Right. Compile save. Go back to the graph. Now you have the bar text. Now you can actually change the bar text. Right. And then on this thing, it has something called set text. To follow, am I too fast? I know I go a little fast.
Um, set bar text. Set what? What is that?
Set text.
Oh, set
Go back to
text.
yeah, set text. And then I pick the one that says content. They
Okay.
one down here too. Maybe this one would also work. I don't know. I just pick the one that I feel like it. I pick the first one. If it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't work, we come back and pick this one. Just say
Mm-hmm.
yeah. But if it works, I will
Okay.
just go with that. And then now we can actually print the text. What would we print? Oh, can I have pen? What? There is no pen. What is this? What is this purple thing? Huh? What? Make? What? Huh? How can I make text? Hmm? Can I make text? I have to really try. Huh? Make trying something. Does this work? Can I make string? Okay, I can make string and change to text. Okay,
Oh
okay,
my god,
okay,
what?
okay. No, no, I'm experiment because it doesn't want to eat my thing. So okay, okay.
Okay.
Now I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Make literal. Mm, because I only want this thing. I can. Wait, 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 wait. I actually don't know the like. Okay, I want. We know this thing is a float, right? But I want to cut the decimal. How to clean the decimal from float? Round? Can I round decimal? Ooh, I guess we can use round for now. To the nearest country. I guess that works.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, what I want because okay, the one thing that we have here is it is a decimal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if you know, but I want to just round it so it become like a nice number. That is basically what I want to do. So we round that one. Then if we spin, man, this thing is so annoying. Make little row string. I think that is what we want. We do append. Okay.
Wait.
Start to
Oh
look
wait.
nice.
Wait. Okay.
That is what I want. Because you still follow.
Hold on.
Go a little fast. Mm-hmm. But I think you know where I'm going.
What is this? Oh, another round. Okay, you're rounding it again.
Yeah, I round. Because I have to round both of them, right?
Wait.
I will just organize it a little bit.
Divide it.
Make
Okay.
that look a little nice. I'm okay with that.
Make literal. Wait. To text string. Wait. I can't. Can you zoom into the to text? What is it? What is to text connected to? In
Mm-hmm.
string is connected to make literal strings return
Yeah, this
value.
one, yeah, it connect up.
Oh, okay.
Always connect up.
So the return value is connected to the text. Okay.
It eventually come up here, right? So the goal is we just want to make the text. But to make the text, it have to come from string first, and then we from down here that we want to make a string and convert to text and then plug in here. And then from
Right.
this side that you make the integer or I mean the float, round it, make it into the string, connect it together, and then now it become the string, and then convert to text, and then you feed right there. Make sense? Now
Okay.
press play and hope it works. Cross your finger. Hey, it works. I mean, I see the number.
It
Not bad.
works.
Hey, beautiful. Okay. Now I'm happy. I can see my actual health. Perfect. Also, this would be a lot more easier when we actually do, like when you try to test the damage. Like, is this thing do 30 damage or 20 damage, right? And then you have the bar. Well, have fun guessing that because I don't know. How can you know, right? But if you
I
actually
guess.
have the number, it would be nice that, this thing do 20 damage. Thank God I can see and don't have to play a guessing game, you know. Like it will help when we go into debugging, like, this thing's supposed to do 20 damage plus 15%. And they're like, okay, I cannot eyeball that, you know. You need something a
Mm.
little better than just guess the eyeball. You have the number would be nice. So this is for the future. Also, I like it. Cool. I think we done for today.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it? You having fun?
I. Yeah. Today was fun.
Today was fun. Yeah. I don't know if it'll be
Yeah.
fun next time, but we'll see about that.
I
Cool. We
mean,
are
yeah.
having fun today.
I guess you're right. If it gets more complicated than this, then it would be annoying to make it. But I just enjoy designing like stuff. So
Uh
like
huh.
it's fun to customize.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm glad you're having fun. Cool. I
Yeah.
guess that conclude the video for today. Any last question before we stop?
No.
No, we good? Okay.
Hmm.
Then goodbye. See you next time.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye.